Tüdelüdel, tüdel, tüdelüdel, 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 tüdelü, 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 tüdelü. Ja, Hey, was geht, Leute? Da Günther wieder am Start. Vampyr Günther. Ah nein, Erwin heißt er. Genau, sorry, habe ich vergessen. Erwin heißt er. Erwin wieder am Start. Erwin der Vampir. Und wir sind schon auf einem Zuschauer. Grüezi wohl. Sali, herzlich willkommen. Und wir stehen da gerade vor dem Spital. Ich muss da noch natürlich... Ja, da hinten hat's einen lustigen Inder, wo I'm under the water, please help me.
I cannot enter.
I cannot enter. Hey. Den Talk funny. Oh Mann! Voll gemein, ich kann jetzt austricksen und komme einfach nicht rein, weil wegen unsichtbares Barriere. Wie gemein ist das, Alter? Come on. I'm under the water, please help me. Hallo? Talk to me.
It never ceases to amaze me how you, the dead, seem peaceful and lost at the same time.
Wieso hast du jetzt keinen Akzent? Some people and lost and I don't know what to say. I'm under the water, please help me. Okay. Also Leute, ich muss irgendwie so eine Behandlung gegen Erschöpfung herstellen. Oh, was geht? Mich auch ein Doktor. Okay, wo muss ich hin? Ich muss rauf. Okay, ich muss einen Stock höher rauf. Alles klar, dann gehen wir doch. Ich will immer rennen, wenn ich da drauf drücke, aber das ist halt L3. Im Normalfall ist das Rennen, aber in dem Spiel irgendwie nicht. So, gut. So. Gut. Dr. Erwin am Werk. Was, wie, wo, warum? Ah, da. Okay. Gut. Dr. Erwin macht. Dr. Erwin tut. Regenerationsmittel. Blutserum. Gegen Erschöpfung. Okay. Vergiftung. Erschöpfung, da. So, sehr gut. Das habe ich gemacht. Super. Bringt Medizin zu der Dorothy Krane im Patientenzimmer. Schwester Krane. Schwester Krane. Nein, das ist sie nicht. Schwester Krane. Schwester Krane. Wo sind sie? Wer bist du? Ah, der Schwanzi, der Dr. Schwanzi. Voll, den habe ich voll vergessen. Da unten. Dorothee Krane. Schwester Krane, ich habe etwas für Sie. Hey, warte mal. Okay. Milton, den kenne ich noch nicht. Der Milton. Mit dem will ich zuerst noch reden. Schwester Krane, Sie müssen noch warten. Wo ist er jetzt? Nein. nein, 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 nein. Da hinten. Da ist er. Milton! Milton! Sally Milton! Hoi! Hoi Milton! Ey, warte, ich muss mich da noch bedienen. Danke, stört dich nicht. Voll easy. Milton! Sally! Hoi Milton!
Good evening, sir.
Ja, hoi.
I'm Dr. Jonathan Reed. I'm new.
Das ist eine Lüge. Mein Name ist Erwin.
Reed. I'm Milton Hooks, the ambulance driver for this shithole of a hospital.
That's quite a
Okay,
blunt
cool.
introduction, Mr. Hooks.
You can call me
Freut
Milton.
mich. Ich bin
I like to speak
Erwin.
my mind, Dr. Reed. Perk of the job. Don't judge me, and I won't judge you.
I'm not
Okay.
sure I understand what you're talking about.
Well, I'm no doctor, but I'm pretty sure a gun can't be used as a surgical instrument.
You have a keen eye. I learned to shoot during the war and have carried one ever since. Old habits die hard.
No need to explain, Dr. Reed. And if you ever need a better gun, remember, I may have something for you.
Ha! Cool.
Are you really
Sure.
smuggling weapons through the hospital?
And why not? I've already
You're
been
here?
attacked by patients, you know. And by gang members willing to steal my money.
But you're not defending yourself. You're selling guns to civilians.
You keep people alive your own way, Doctor. I offer them another way to protect their health.
Okay. Kann ich akzeptieren. Chillig, chillig. Ja, cool, Milton. Freut mich. Ich bin der Erwin.
How is the situation around here?
You want to hear the situation is all right? It's fucking awful. And it's getting worse every day.
Fucking awful. You wanna hear it's alright? It's fucking awful. Oh, geil, Alter.
So what do you do exactly in this hospital? Apart from smuggling guns, I mean.
I've been an ambulance driver since... too long, I guess. I bring sick people here night and day. It's a dirty job, but I get it done. Most of the time.
Okay. Heisst das, manchmal kommst du spät, meinst du so? Oder verschwindet die auf eine andere Art? Egal, lassen wir ihn einfach machen.
Since you're on the front line, how is the sanitary situation in this vicinity?
It's a complete disaster. It's even getting dangerous to enter some streets or buildings. Even the locals attack you.
Wundere mich darüber, ja, weiß nicht wieso. Kein Plan, wieso das könnte passieren. Es ist ein bisschen mysteriös, wieso da Anwohner plötzlich rumspringen und attackieren. Also ich habe keinen Plan, wieso das könnte sein.
It sounds like things have been a bit rough recently. What's happened?
Yesterday I got attacked by the patient I was bringing here. I escaped through the hospital's garden, but I lost my wallet when I was running.
You left an infected patient outside the hospital. That's incredibly dangerous.
Go there yourself if you want, but be careful, Doctor. I'd rather not bring your dead body back.
Tja, kann passieren, ja.
Why do you have such a mediocre reputation among your colleagues, Milton?
Fuck them. Nobody knows the horrors I've seen since working here. This city was sick long before the epidemic, Dr. Reed.
I know it's a difficult task, but correct me if I'm wrong. Is this not the job you are paid to do?
I've seen babies left to die while their brothers were properly fed. Underage girls and boys sold to all manner of perverts.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to say.
Yeah, exactly. We lack words. So excuse me if I don't look on the bright side of life.
Nein, ich sing jetzt nicht. Ich sing jetzt nicht, Leute. Was on the bright side of life? Didip, 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 didip. Always look on the right side. Okay, das geht nicht.
I have some good news, Milton.
What? The epidemic's over?
Retrieved your
Nein, Bro.
wallet with all the money.
Was
and
versaut.
a certain future.
Well, yeah, Pippa Hawkins is my girl. So what? Is it the difference of skin colour that bothers you?
Not at all, Milton.
Good. Please, take this money anyway. To remind you to keep your mouth shut. Not everybody is as broad-minded as you, Dr. Reed.
Okay.
What's going on between you and Nurse Hawkins?
Pippa's tired. Tired of all this shit. Tired of all those corpses piling up. She's as depressed as I am.
Na, glaube ich.
During the war, I witnessed a few couples just like you come together in difficult circumstances. It can be very damaging.
Maybe you're right. But we support each other. And that's all that matters.
Yep, she want the black D.
You do realize you could both get fired. Hospital staff are not meant to have intimate relationships with one another.
Come on, Dr. Reed. Do you know how many rules are broken in this hospital every day just to keep it running?
Ein,
There's
zwei.
nothing wrong with what we're doing.
Who knows? I don't know. So, dann
I'd
machen wir
like
da
to
noch
see your
handeln.
goods.
Wise choice, Dr. Reed. A
man.
reliable gun is what everybody needs these days.
True, true. Was haben wir denn da? Miltons Schrotflinte. Geiler Shit. Aber für die habe ich zu wenig Cash. Schade, schade. Tja. Gut, aber dann wissen wir, was wir machen, sobald ich mehr Cash habe. Dirip, 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 dirip. So, okidok, wo muss ich eigentlich hin? Dahinter. Rante, rampante, rante, rampante. Hallo? Hey! Ist da irgendwie etwas schief gelaufen? Weißt du was, vergiss es.
Finally, you've returned, Doctor. Did you find
Yeah.
anything of value?
Yes, nurse.
You've worked your first miracle, Doctor.
Leider
Now, this
keine
patient
neue
here needs
Schürze
immediate
für
treatment.
dich.
Duty calls. When the storm has passed, I'll show you how to mix the remedy yourself with the same basic ingredients.
Many thanks, Doctor. When you've finished, you ought to report to Dr. Swansea in his office. He's been looking for
Yay!
you.
Ab zum Dr. Schwanzi! Cool, voll easy. Krankheiten verringern die Blutqualität eines Bürgers. Verwende die richtigen Medikamente, um ihn zu heilen. Aber verschwende die richtigen Medikamente, um ihn zu heilen. Perfekt, Alter. Bis irgendwann läuft. Sprich mit dem Patienten im Zimmer hinter Dorothee, um seinen Gesundheitszustand zu kontrollieren. Easy. Yo, Brosen. Brosy McDonald, was geht, Alter?
Good evening, Doctor. How is my son doing?
Ich weiß nicht. Habe ich alles gefragt. Habe ich noch nicht gemacht.
Goodbye, Mrs.
Ciao.
Gosling.
Blöde Fotze. So, Rudi, was
Good
geht?
evening, Mr. Goswick.
Hoi Rudi,
How are you?
alles klar? Also, persönliche Fragen. Da können wir nicht, da können wir...
How painful is your throat, Mr. Goswick?
So painful, I'd rather not talk at all, Doctor.
Immer noch nicht. Okay.
I have to go now, sir. But don't hesitate to contact me if you need any help.
Good evening, sir. Doctor.
Dirip, 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 dirip. Okay. Da lang. Sprich mit Edgar Schwanzi. Verlockung des Blutes. Ja, ich weiß, Leute, aber irgendwie liegt mir das Krankenhaus da am Herzen. Ich will alle anderen Bürger aussaugen, aber nicht das Krankenhaus. Die leiden irgendwie schon genug. Außerdem ist da meine Princess of Darkness und ja, Alter, das ist meine Princess of Darkness, Mann. Was soll ich machen? Ich sauge nicht aus. Die darf mich aussaugen, jede Nacht. Ja. Wo muss ich hin? Ah, Ufer. Also, Dr. Schwanzi. Dr. Schwanzi. Wo sind Sie? Hallo, Dr. Schwanzi. Ich sollte mit Ihnen reden. Dr. Schwanzi, bitte. Hallo. Knock, knock. Who's there? Me.
Please, Jonathan.
Sein oder nicht sein? Das ist hier die Frage.
Fascinating, is it not? In the last decade, so many mysteries have been brought to light with our microscopes. The human body, biology's penultimate frontier. The more we explore its boundaries, the less we're able to trace a clear line between life and death. You, my friend, have a foot in both countries. The view must be vertiginous.
It's at least as vertiginous as chatting about vampires with you, I would say.
This must be all so new to you. This area of town, the hospital.
Dr. Schwanzi. 6000 EP will sein Blut bringen. Shit, Alter. Aber ihm braucht halt ein Spital. Ja. Eine Stütze. Also, ich nehme an, das steht halt dafür, dass wenn ich ihn würde umbringen würde, alles zusammenbrechen. Dr. Schwanzi. Tja, und der Clay Cox, den haben wir schon genutzt. Der ist massakriert geworden. Aber der da, der braucht es ja eigentlich nicht so unbedingt, oder? Also der da, der könnte man dann eigentlich mal noch wegsnacken und uns die 3000 EP holen. Ja. Aha. Kann nicht reden. Ihn sollte ich noch behandeln, hä?
A brand new life?
Okay.
How stimulating it must be.
I wish I could share your enthusiasm, Dr. Swansea, but my condition defies scientific categorization. Undead? Unalive? Immortality defies logic.
I cannot express my thrill at this serendipitous turn of events. The world's most eminent specialist in blood transfusions, a vampire. One might say a gift from heaven.
Ja. Ah ja, der weiß ja, dass ich ein Vampir bin, hä? Stimmt, das ist ja voll vergessen. Der Schwanzi ist ja mein Kollege. Ja, ich bin schon ein bisschen ein Lebensparadox.
There is an absurd poetry to my situation. Physician, heal thyself.
Forgive me. I've been an admirer of your work for a long time, and now you are so much more than a brilliant physician. And please, call me Edgar.
Freut mich, ich bin der Erwin. So, ja, wir brauchen einander. Du hilfst mir da ein bisschen aus so, und ich bin nicht ganz so
I'm
alleine
not some
und ich
doe-eyed
unterstütze
student,
dich.
Edgar. I understand we both have something to gain from this relationship.
Very well. I have a task for you, Jonathan. Something that will require all your newfound skills.
Please, go on.
The Pembroke only survives through the generosity of our benefactors. Unfortunately, our main donor has found herself in a bit of a bind. Now, if you could help her out...
A spokesman or politician is what you need. That's not my calling. And until I come to understand what has happened to me, I require discretion.
Discretion is in order, Jonathan. Lady Ashbury has recently received rather indelicate correspondence that, if revealed, would jeopardize her position.
And you would like me to eradicate this threat?
By the stole, of course not. I would just like you to pay her a visit. Her ladyship is certainly near the tents outside, tending the sick. You can't miss her. Look for someone impossibly delicate.
Accepted. I'll see what kind of trouble Lady Ashbury is in.
Ja, gut. Alles klar. Also ich gehe da nochmal schnell so ein Mittel gegen Erschöpfung machen. Weil ich sollte ja eigentlich den Dude dort unten können heilen mit dem, oder? Das Mittel, das ich jetzt hergestellt habe, habe ich ihr ja gegeben. What the fuck? So. Aha, nein. Ich habe eins davon. Ich kann nicht nochmal eins herstellen, okay. Ja, aber wieso kann ich ihm denn das nicht geben? Okay, wo haben wir da Missionen? Nein. Ah ja, gell, jetzt muss ich da sowieso erstmal auf mein Bettli hückeln. Wo ist denn das da? So. Gut, also, was machen wir dann als nächstes? Physische Stärke. Das ist doch nicht schlecht, oder? Erhöht die Ausdauer. Ja, machen wir mal. So. Gut. Was haben wir da? Ah, erhöht Blutkapazität. Oh, erhöht deine Aufnahme von Bisse von Blut, weißt du. Medizintasche, so, Munitionstasche. Das kann ich noch nicht. Wieso denn? Ah, Stufe 10 benötigt, also. Okay. Sorry, mein Controller ist ein bisschen kaputt, darum rutscht das die ganze Zeit so hin und her. Blutbarriere. Schon nice. Blutspeer. Tja, gute Frage. Was soll ich denn da nehmen? B -b 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 -b. That's cool. So, nice. Okay, haben wir das gemacht. Da müssen wir halt noch warten, bis wir da dann können weitermachen so. Ja, ich glaube, da machen wir dann nächstes Mal weiter. Sobald wir da wieder mehr EP haben. So. Ups. Yeah, yo, you little. You little. Du. Okay, dort raus muss ich, ha? So.
We are overwhelmed by this horrifying epidemic.
Aha. Dich kenne ich gar noch nicht. Was
Good evening,
geht?
sir.
So it is true. The famous Dr. Reed has joined us.
Ja,
I
hey.
can't think of any better news during these terrible times.
Do we
Cool.
know each other?
Actually, yes. We met once before at the Rockefeller University in New York.
Dr. Tippett, yes, I remember. I was assisting Professor Carell in his research about
Ein alter
coronary
Kollege.
bypasses.
Cool. Freut
He
mich.
had
Ich bin
nothing
der
but praise
Erwin.
for you.
He was also very confident about your future. And look at you now. Eminent surgeon and blood transfusion specialist.
Aha. Gut, dann fangen wir da mal mit der Befragung an, ha? Warte, machen wir da... Fangen wir da
Have you
unten.
heard of any underhand dealings going on in this hospital?
I have no time for such triviality, my dear colleague. We're here to save lives.
We're here to save lives. Ok, ok.
What is the Pembroke Hospital situation? And please, speak freely.
This hospital is not exactly the best of London. I'm sure you are used to working in a better environment.
Ja,
I can't say I'm thrilled to be working here, but to be honest, I didn't have much of a choice.
Don't be misled by appearances, Dr. Reed. This hospital does not lack talented people. It just lacks hope.
Trotzdem ist nicht so wirklich freiwillig,
What
dass
can
ich
you
da
tell me
bin.
about the staff in the hospital?
Aber ja.
Some are really good, and others are not so good. But during this troubled period, there is no time for slander. I prefer to focus on the positive character traits.
Tell me more about cherished people, then.
Nurse Brannigan is a pearl. She is the most helpful and dedicated nurse I've ever worked with. A clever and cheerful woman.
You really seem to admire her skills.
I'll go even further. If she was a man, she would be a damn fine practitioner.
Ja, und als Frau kann sie das nicht. Man sind ihr damals zurückgeblieben gewesen.
Any opinion about the management?
I don't always agree with Dr. Swansea's reserve. But I must
Schwanzi!
admit, he does all he can to keep this facility running during this crisis.
Ah, yes, the burden of command. I was fed up with this concept while serving as a medical officer.
Don't get me wrong. Swansea's a good administrator.
Swansea!
I just wish he would get out of his office down again.
Ja, wäre vielleicht noch von Vorteil, so. Okay, da haben wir noch nicht. Gut.
Goodbye, Dr. Tippett.
Ciao, Tippets. Und das ist noch so. Schau mal, dort unten ist noch jemand. Wer bist denn du? Bist du da unten im Wasser oder was? Aha. Da.
Oswald, you can't just die like this.
Jo, was geht? Wer bist denn du?
Please, sir. I need help bad.
What's going on?
I'm Blight, sir. Newton Blight. I've lost my mate. Can't find him anywhere.
I'm Dr. Jonathan Reed from the Pembroke Hospital. Please, calm down and give me more details.
Oswald and myself were both infantry, sir. We were en route for the hospital, but... well, we had a disagreement. And Oswald ran off towards the canal.
How long have you been searching for him?
I can't go there. Too many rats by the water. Fucking rats. Can't stand them since the war, sir. Can't stand them at all.
Don't be ashamed, Mr. Blight. Many soldiers who survived the trenches suffer from musophobia. I'll see what I can do for your friend.
So, okay, dann fangen wir mal
What
an
can you
mit
tell
dir
me about
selber.
yourself?
I'm Oswald's best friend. We served in the same regiment, sir. We've taken care of each other since we came back from the front.
This is a dangerous part of town. What are you doing here?
We were looking for the Pembroke Hospital. We both need help. Treatment, I mean. To get some sleep. Just need to feel better, sir.
can you tell me about your friend?
His name is Oswald Thatcher. We survived the war together. Oswald is nervous and quite fragile since we came back from the war.
Where was your friend the last time you saw him?
He went down by the canal. He didn't want to go to the hospital. I think he went to the sewers on purpose. So I couldn't go after him.
Okay.
I have all the information I need for now. If I find anything out about your friend, I'll let you know as soon as I can.
Thank you, Dr. Reed.
Jo, bitte.
It's locked.
So. Ja, ich höre gerade den Sus. Wo beim Kanal denn? Sind wir da nicht beim Kanal? Oder ist das der, den ich umgebracht habe? Also. Ah nein, der heißt Clay Cox. Da ist dem sein Kollege da, den muss ich noch finden. Okay. Alles klar, der Clay vermisst also niemand, wie es aussieht. So, gut. Easy, easy. Ja, da haben wir ja noch den anderen weggesnackt gehabt. Aus Giedel. Vielleicht in dem Fall da durch. Und das ist auch abgeschlossen.
It's locked, all right.
Ja, ja. Da kann ich nicht schnell überschwimmen. Okay. Überklettern geht auch nicht, ja. Ja, gut. Was haben wir da? Ah. Da bin ich jetzt an einem neuen Ort. Okay, ja, nein, ich muss schon da bleiben. Für den Moment so. Pembrokes Hospital. Der Erwin ist wieder da, alle zusammen. Der Controller regt mich hure auf.
Pembroke is so lucky to have Dr. Reed, you know. I met him in New York once.
If only there were more of us. With less
Voll lieb,
resignation,
dankeschön.
more determination.
I know I can count on you. I wish I could say the same for the others.
You look exhausted. You're pushing yourself too hard.
So,
Good
so.
evening, nurse. I'm Dr. Jonathan
Mit
Reed,
dir habe
the
ich
new
also auch noch
surgeon
nicht
here at
geredet,
Pembroke.
hä?
Dr. Swansea has already told us about you, sir. I'm Nurse Gwyneth Brannigan. Welcome to the Pembroke
Hallo,
Hospital.
Did he really?
Schwester
It's a good thing I wasn't
Gwyneth.
hoping to keep a low profile.
All members of
Stuhlkauschen,
staff have already read about your new blood transfusion technique. Dr. Swansea made sure of that.
I see. Well, I'm a little surprised, but I suppose I'll just have to deal with this unexpected notoriety.
You must know, blood transfusions are Dr. Swansea's primary subject of research. He is convinced it is the future.
Aha. Ja, glaube ich auch.
How are things here?
Not good, to say the least. We're struggling against an invisible enemy, more lethal than any bullet from a gun. It's hard, Doctor.
Ja. That's what she said.
An invisible enemy. Quite a poetic term for a disease, especially from a nurse.
Sorry, Doctor. These last few weeks have been exhausting. We could all do with a good night's sleep.
Ja, glaube ich dir.
Do you think this hospital can survive the epidemic?
We are all volunteers here, and we're trying to hold fast, but how do we beat an invisible killer? Some nurses have already resigned.
Ja, die sind Putzis.
I'm not familiar with all the staff yet. Perhaps you could help me.
Brilliant professionals, most of them. Dr. Swansea has a gift for recruiting talent.
Most of them? Is there a problem I should know about, nurse?
It would be inappropriate for me to speak ill of a colleague.
Nurse Brannigan, if you do know something, please tell me. Anything you say will be held in confidence.
No. I may disagree with some conduct, but in the end, everybody is doing their best.
Achso, okay.
Is there anyone that stands out?
Well, I have never met someone as dedicated as Dr. Tippett's. He should be a standard for us all here. If only he were younger.
Why should his age be a problem?
I guess it's fair to say he's always pushing himself to the limits. He just doesn't know when to stop and get some rest.
Lass Dr. Muppet in Ruhe.
Why does Dr. Tippett's claim you're the main reason he keeps working, despite his fatigue?
If it wasn't for him, I probably would have left the Pembroke years ago.
Dr. Tippett does not think of you as just a nurse anymore, does he?
If you're suggesting he's not taking my gender into consideration when it comes to medical practice and knowledge, I really hope he doesn't.
Ja, nein, macht er nicht. Das interessiert ihn nicht. Das hat er gecheckt, dass das keinen grossen Unterschied macht, dass Frauen und Männer gute Ideen haben, was für medizinische Wissenschaft anbelangt. So.
Goodbye, nurse. Call me if you need assistance.
Gut, dann nehme... Yeah. Das geht nicht. Okay, ja gut. Ja dann. Ich muss da hinter mir mal Fenster auftun. So. Gut. So. Easy. Also, muss ich da hin? Hallo?
The flu took my dear wife, Emily. I take comfort knowing we'll soon be together again.
Mr. Rainfield, that's no way to talk. You're in good hands here, and we'll be up again soon enough. Now do me a kindness and get some sleep. I'll be back round later.
Your words are kind, the blessings of an angel. You're the sweet, sweet lady of mercy.
Good evening, Dr. Reed. It's a pleasure to see you again. You seem surprised. Dr. Swansea has brought me up to speed concerning your recent appointment to Pembroke Hospital.
You're a the lady who saved me that night, before vanishing into thin air. I remember you from the pub with Dr. Swansea.
Indeed. Allow me to introduce myself formally this time. My name is Lady Ashbury. I remember you well, in spite of the brevity of our encounter.
Apologies. You've taken me by surprise. I'm very happy to see you.
The pleasure is mine, Doctor.
I hope you're more disposed to answer my questions now.
You must have countless questions, but our rather urgent matter first. Swansea has explained. My cover, if you prefer, has been compromised.
Pardon my boldness, Your Ladyship, but I have questions concerning this condition we share.
As a newborn, your hunger for answers is rivaled only by your thirst for blood. But the questions need wait.
I'm a... My trade is in the deciphering of mysteries, and I need information to feed my mind.
I will gladly answer every question you have, but first, prove yourself capable of resolving my predicament without eating the culprit.
Have any of the patients given you trouble?
These poor souls have so little left to live for. I do my best to ease their pain.
The world would be a better place if it were cared for by women like you.
You make me blush. I am simply a necessary evil.
Genau wie ich.
Dr. Swansea has commissioned me to be your agent in this matter. You could start by explaining what's amiss.
These past insufferable weeks, I've been the victim of extortion. I've made a first payment, but the blackmailer grows greedy. I must refuse his most recent demands.
Okay.
Who would be so foolish as to threaten you? A kindred spirit.
Even if it were the case, and I highly doubt it, a vampire would have asked for something more valuable than money. My suspicions lean toward a patient, or their family.
What are your expectations? Please be precise.
As the newly appointed surgeon of this hospital, you are in an excellent position to ask innocent questions, and deftly learn the identity of my blackmailer.
Ja Mann, ich bin Chirurg, Schrägstrich, Detektiv Erwin. So.
If we're dealing with an ordinary criminal, surely you've the means to deal with it yourself, if I may.
As immortal tradition doth dictate, all fangs and hypnotic eyes ablaze, the blood would run like a river. That's what I hope to avoid. Violence has a tendency to spiral out of control.
Okay.
Please continue. Every detail is essential. I'm your man.
My embarrassment in this matter is eclipsed only by my shame at having put the hospital at risk. The threat from our anonymous scoundrel is clear. A list of dates. My visits coinciding with the dates of suspicious patient deaths due to massive blood loss.
Is it true?
Now aren't you the blunt one?
Ja, ich brauche Blut.
You are aware that I too know the thirst for the scarlet nectar.
In all honesty, I'm not simply a patron to the hospital. My visits serve a dual purpose. Dr. Swansea has been treating my condition with a revolutionary technique of blood transfusion. It seems you are a specialist in the domain.
I'll take care of it. Do you know where I should start?
If that was the case, I'd settle the matter myself. You could talk to our local gossip, Harriet Jones. Not a pin drops here without her hearing about it.
I'll meet that woman now.
My life, as others know, is in your hands, Dr. Reed. I'm sure of your discretion, but I do fear your powers of persuasion will be put to the test. When this is resolved, I'll be your obligé. I'll answer all questions in regards of your condition.
Super, danke. Gut, Deal. Okay. Ja, müssen wir jetzt halt suchen gehen. Ja. Hallo. Hallo, wie geht es dir? Okay, wir müssen da hingehen.
My blood and soul.
Simple to these nurses. Bred with no respect.
Aha. Oh, warte mal, da glänzt etwas und glitzert. Kleidfitsch präsentiert Doris Fletcher, Sappho. Royal Garden Halltheater. Ja, okay. In der Sappho, in der Sappho.
What?
In der Sappho
What?
from Chicago.
What is this?
Nein, das heißt
Who are you? Get out of my room.
There's no need for alarm, madam. I'm Dr. Reed, the new surgeon.
Preposterous. Dr. Reed, you say? I don't want some bumbling intern. Where's Dr. Swansea?
Schwanzi. Ja, ich kann sie nicht gerade anficken.
Please, calm down, madam. I assure you that I am highly qualified. I'm just back from war duty.
How brave. Threatening an old defenseless woman. You know how long I've been a patient here?
Kann ich doch gar nicht auf Fotzen.
I'm Harriet Jones.
Harriet Jones? Indeed. I've been meaning to have a chat with you. You know what goes on here better than any other patient, I gather.
Oh, better than any patient, nurse or doctor. I've seen so many vile undertakings.
I heard there have been some despicable goings-on. Was there a case of blackmail?
Blackmail? Wait. You're investigating something. This isn't a social call. One of those incompetent cunts slit a poor sod's vein.
You seem to know more about the goings-on here than anyone else. Beware, Miss Jones, in case suspicion should fall on you.
That's it. Blame the old and infirm. I see those little bitches' greedy little eyes. Just waiting for me to pop off they are.
Yeah.
If I didn't know better, Miss Jones, I'd be inclined to say you enjoy this type of idle gossip.
God's honest truth, Doctor. It's just the way it is here. Most of these bitches would let you freeze to death before getting you a blanket.
I assure you, madam, this is not an investigation into a possible medical error.
Debauchery, then? Nurses Crane, Hawkins, Brannigans, whores, all of them. They can't keep their legs shut. I've seen them scratching slutty sores.
Really? Well, if you have suitable proof, I'll not have the staff behaving in such a manner here.
This is your business, Doctor, not mine. But I swear one of the nurses is cavorting with some man on hospital hours.
Thank you for your time, Miss Jones. You've given me something to go on. See you on the next round. The patients and staff might know something. I'll start my investigation with them.
Easy. Pippa. Sali Pippa. Hä? Wo ist sie jetzt? Ist sie jetzt nicht gerade noch da gestanden? Ah, da.
Good evening, Nurse Hawkins.
Good evening, Dr. Reed.
Hoi, Pippa. So.
Pepper, I know you're very close to Milton Hooks.
Yes. Milton Hooks is my man. If you want to report me for that, just feel free, Doctor.
I have no intention of reporting you, Nurse Hawkins. But are you aware of the risks?
The rules say I won't be allowed to work as a nurse anymore. But here at the Pembroke, we break rules all the time.
Is he worth the risk?
Hey, I'm no perfect woman, and Milton is not the finest bloke. But we do our best to get by. That's all many of us can hope for nowadays.
Not the best bloke.
What can you tell me about the strange man visiting one of the nurses during her shift?
Let me guess. You spoke with that old shrew, Harriet Jones. Do not pay attention to her, Doctor. She's full of fanciful tales.
She could have been telling the truth about the mysterious man.
That old witch will end up in hell soon enough. Who cares if a nurse finds some happiness where she can?
No matter how you feel about her, Miss Jones deserves our help.
Who says I don't care for her? Hate is what keeps that old crone alive.
What can you tell me about the strange man visiting one of the nurses during her shift?
Let me guess. You spoke with that old shrew, Harriet Jones.
Ja.
Do not pay attention to her, Doctor. She's full of fanciful tales.
Ich habe beides angeklickt. Wieso ist denn das noch da?
Goodbye, Nurse Hawkins.
What the fuck? Okay. Ja, Leute, ich würde sagen, it's Bong Time. So, das Netzli rein, Mischung rein, so, wunderbar, gut, alles drin. Tipptopp, nichts klappt am Mischpult, super, und dann können wir lossaugen, oder? So. Cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Da ist sie. So. Gwyneth. Du Gwyneth, ich sollte mal mit dir reden.
Good evening, Nurse Brannigan.
Good evening, Doctor.
Also Gwyneth. Oh, ich muss da nochmal alles anklicken.
Do you know if any of the hospital staff have criminal backgrounds?
The people who work here all come from very different backgrounds, Doctor. Just like the patients.
Mhm. Interessante Aussage. So.
Have you seen a strange man visiting any of the nurses here?
I've never heard of such a thing, Doctor.
Huh.
Goodbye, nurse. Call me if you need assistance.
Ja gut. Das ist interessant gewesen. So, jetzt Dorothee Cheriane. Wo haben wir sie? Dorothee. Dorothee. Mhm.
We've dodged death so many times. Have you found Oswald?
Not yet, sir. I need more information first.
All right. What do you want to know?
I have all the information I need for now.
Okay.
If I find anything out about your friend, I'll let you know as
Das
soon as
ist
I can.
nicht gewesen. Ich soll einfach so rumlauschen, oder wie?
You're sure you don't come back with me?
Nah, I have to see someone at the hospital.
Be careful. You look so bad they may keep you as a patient.
Fuck 'em. I don't like hospitals or doctors.
Well then, when you go back to Whitechapel, you may find this useful.
What is it?
A pass for a free medical exam by the best nurse available. Just read it.
I don't read well, but thank you, I guess.
Alles klar. Ab in den Keller. Cool, cool. So, und ich muss da kurz WhatsApp zurückschreiben. Komisch. Find nicht, was ich suche. So. Ah, hat geladen, ich Vollidiot. Wow, lol. So, okay, da geht's nicht rein. Oh shit, das klingt aber nicht gut.
This man has been savagely attacked and dragged to the floor.
Ja, I see. By this guy, ja? Aua. Au. So. Okay. Dann du jetzt. Du, wie viel Mal muss ich den da mit dem Ding stechen, dass ich ihn mal kann snacken? Au, ich bin jetzt tot. Ja, kann ich gerade eben sagen. Ja, tot, aber ja, ich bin tot. Alles klar. Läuft. Geiler Shit. Ah, ja. Rampante, 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 rampante. Oh, okay. Ja, wir probieren jetzt nochmal. Tja. Und so. Die I can't breathe. Böse, 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 pfui, böses Vampir-Ding. Arschloch da. So. Gut. Ach, fuck Den habe ich nicht geschockt. Warum? Ich bin so dumm, Alter. Ja. Keine Ausdauer. So, verdammt. So. Kommt da noch etwas? Nein. Okay. I wanna see the sky, feel the fresh air. Can't breathe, can't breathe. Geht jetzt schon da durch, oder? Aha.
I don't want to die here. I want to see the sky, feel the fresh air.
So, böse, böse, böse. Au. So. Gut. Jetzt ist gegangen. Super.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. So. Hi.
Are you injured, sir?
Help me get out of here. I need to get out.
I'm Dr. Reed, and I'd be glad to help you, but you must calm down first. Please, take a deep breath and tell me your name.
Okay. Okay, I'm Oswald Thatcher. Please, I need to get out.
Mr. Thatcher, your friend Newton sent me to help you. Do you remember him?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Good. Now leave this place and enjoy the cool night air. It's quite invigorating. I'm sure you'll feel better if you do.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Dann geh du dich mal beruhigen und ich snack dich dann, wenn es dir wieder gut geht. So, ich muss weiter runter. Okay. Ja, gut. Ah, da geht's runter. Okidok. Hi. So. Nom 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 nom.
Thirst for blood.
So, ein bisschen Essen da. Die sind gut. Und dann... Aha, cool. Okay. Und dann geht's weiter runter. Das sieht nach Bosskampf aus. Oh shit, was bist denn du? Scheiße, was ist das für ein Viech, Alter? Alter! Fuck, Bro, da habe ich ja gar keine Chance. So ein Dreck, Bro. So ein Dreck, Alter. Scheiße, für das brauche ich Full Life, Alter. Oh, fuck. Damn. Na, mit Full Life wird das schwer. I don't know how to beat this guy. unterlevelt kann ich ja fast nicht sein. Ich bin ja noch nirgends in der Story. Das... Oh gut, ich bin wieder full life. Angenehm. So. Ja, gut.
What sort of creature is this?
Das böse Kreatur. Sehr, sehr böse Kreatur. Sehr böse. Siehst du? Böse, 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 böse. Diese Serie böse, böse, böse. Serie, Serie böse. Au, 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 au. Alter, fick die Mutter, du. Nein, das schaffe ich jetzt nicht. Wieso? Das ist nicht möglich für mich. Bin unterlevelt. Alles klar, verstanden. Warum auch immer, aber ja, ich bin unterlevelt. Gut, wir gehen da wieder raus. Das, muss warten. Oder dann snacken wir uns jetzt ein paar Burger weg. Scheiße mir auf die ganze Krankenhausgeschichte an, Mann. Aber ich glaube zwar, das ist die Hauptstory. Alter, jetzt geh da rauf. Meins. Also muss ich die alle nochmal plätten, die ich schon weggemacht habe, oder wie? So. Gehen wir raus. Wir warten wieder. Gott, ja Mann. So, okay. Dann... Was ist das? Ah, irgendwelche Notizen. Hauptmission. Durchsuche die Leiche des Gangsters. I don't want to. Was geht?
Steady, boys!
Irgendwelche Dudes, okay. Au. 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 So, eine down.
Fuck, he's dead!
Ja, ist er. Das siehst du richtig. Alter, chill mal. Wow! What the fuck? Alter Bro, jetzt ist es langsam peinlich, Mann. Digga, das Spiel ist ja übelst schwer. Scheiße. Hat's mich gerade richtig an, Mann. Das hat so cool angefangen. Denkt jetzt am Anfang muss man sicher noch nicht gerade alles wegsnacken. Das kommt ja gar nicht weiter in der Story. Dann bist du nur noch am Snacken und irgendwann hast du alles weggesnackt und dann gibt's halt nichts mehr zu machen. So, das ist fertig. Ist das der Plan? Wenn du das von mir? Spielentwickler. Ist das so eure Vorstellung, wie ich das Spiel soll spielen? Ihr seid doch so behindert, Alter. Ja, gut, dann halt. Jetzt müssen wir irgendjemanden snacken gehen. Tralala, wir müssen jetzt halt snacken gehen. Wer dann am besten als erstes so?
The Pembroke is so lucky to have Dr. Reed, you know.
Ja, ja,
I met him
danke,
in New
danke.
York once.
If only there were more of us.
Ich hol mir die dort hin.
The daily routine.
Simpletons, these nurses. Bred with no respect. Someone's poached my blanket. Oh, the cold will be my death.
Mach doch mal.
Liars and thieves, every last one of them.
Friss sie. Iss. Meine Fresse. Was soll ich machen? Mann.
Disguised as a hospital. That's Pembroke nowadays.
You are going to reveal all your secrets to me. Even the darkest thoughts in...
Good
Okay,
evening,
wir
Mr.
reden nochmal da.
Evening,
Ich
Dr.
habe nicht
Reed.
ihn angeklickt.
Goodbye for now, Mr. Elwood.
Ich habe sie angeklickt.
Good evening, Miss Howholt. How are you tonight?
I need blood, Doctor. Warm, rich, vibrant blood.
Ist da noch irgendetwas? Nö.
Have you heard of any blackmailing going on within these walls?
I have no time for mortal games. My secrets are beyond their comprehension, Dr. Reed.
Aha.
I'll leave you, Mistress of the Dark, to your nocturnal activities.
So, ja, er nennt sie Mistress of the Dark, ich nenne sie Princess of Darkness. So, gut. Es ist da noch nichts. Okay. Da ist noch zu. Aha. Okay, vielleicht sollte ich jetzt mal meine Gesundheit aufleveln. So, also erstens schauen wir mal schnell da rein. Das kann... Doch, das kann ich herstellen, okay. So. Und dann können wir von dem machen. Gut. Und von dem kann ich nochmal eins machen. Cool. Läuft. So. Dann Gesundheit. So, gut. Und ja, Blutkapazität erhöhen ist wahrscheinlich auch nicht schlecht, oder? But I don't know, maybe ist besser jetzt wirklich die beiden da aufleveln. Machen wir den nochmal. Ah, da kann ich nur entweder oder. Okay, dann nehmen wir da den da, den ich aufleveln. So. Und ja, oder Gesundheit. Noch mit Stärke. So, okay. Beschi tätigen. Der folgende Nacht. Ja, von dem Zeug habe ich auch noch genug. Okay, jetzt bin ich auf jeden Fall schon mal ein bisschen mehr aufgelevelt. Gehen wir da mal rumlaufen und noch ein bisschen schauen, was man da sonst noch so wegsnacken kann. Wo geht's da hin? Enter at your own risk. Wow, das tönt schon gut. Was geht? Scheiße, was hat denn der für ein Level, Alter? 18. Damn, Bro, damn. Schau dir das an, Alter. Der gibt mir kurz Slap, Slap und tot bin ich. Scheiße, Alter. Scheiße. Ah, Ficke. Mann. Ich kann ja niemand aufsaugen, Mann, die lassen mich ja nicht. Montag Burger, beste Möglichkeit. Schwanz. Lad! Mach mal. Mach ihn. Los, geht's. Gott, ja. Okay. Dort gehen wir nicht nochmal hin. Ganz eindeutig nicht. Wo geht's da hinter? Geht's da hinten überhaupt irgendwo? Ne? Ja. Aha. Interessant. Beißen! So, die sehr gut. Au. Ja, ich weiß. Nennt er mich da einfach Egel? Grusige. Ist doch kein Blutegel, Alter. Bla bla bla. Okay, etwas über meine Princess of Darkness. Alles klar. Gut, sind wir dahinter? So. Da hat's nichts mehr. Okidok. Ach komm, gerne mal. So. Kann ich dich da aussaugen vielleicht? Nein, ich kann nicht attackieren. Ach komm! Wieso nicht? Mann.
It's locked, all right.
Ja, ich weiß. Hast gemerkt, danke für die tolle Info. Mann, ich will endlich jemanden auffressen. Wo geht's da hinter? Ah, Ratte. Müll durchsuchen, das machen die Ärzte so. Ach du Scheiße, 14! Au. Au. Oh, bin gerettet. Nur ein kleines Moment. Au. Au, Alter. Au. Fick deine Mutter, du elende Pisse, verdammte. Au. So, down sind's. Ich höre ein Baby. Das ist so nicht. Da, auch nicht.
I'll put an end to you!
Ow. Whoa. Don't do this. I don't like this. Au, verdammt. Au, verdammt. Und tot bin ich. Gut. Ja, Leute, wir machen Schluss für heute. Ich habe keinen Bock mehr, das Scheiße. Ja, das Spiel wird voll einfach, so wenn du einfach ein paar Leute ausgesucht hast. Ja, es lässt mich niemand aussaugen. Lustig. Zum aber in der Mission weiterkommen, musst du High Power sein. Kannst aber nicht, weil es dich blockiert. Weil zuerst musst du Missionen machen, dass die kannst beißen gehen, oder wie? Was ist das für ein Logikspiel? Ja, das wär's in dem Fall wahrscheinlich gewesen mit dem Game. Suchen wir uns ein neues Projekt. Zundreck. Gut, in dem Fall, danke fürs Zuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Euer Green Jay. Mit einem hoffentlich dann cooleren Let's Play. Also, Peace.